skies, really dark clouds. There's a severe thunderstorm warning in Denton. I'm just here to check it out. Wow. Pretty dark. It's like a wall cloud over there. Wow. Okay. Whoa. My tripod's about to shake. Yep. Wow. Very dark. Really, really dark. But I'm out here to film this. I'm a little scared. I used to be really scared of being outside during a bad storm, but now I'm not. Severe thunderstorm warning, 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts, so I don't think the siren will go off. At Whelen WPS-2910. I mean, look at that. It is so dark. Wow, this is incredible. I'm gonna get under the canopy right here by this playground. Get a little worried that you could get struck by lightning, even though it's a very low chance, unless if you're alone in an empty field where you're the only object that attracts the lightning. But other than that, the thunder is super loud when you're close to it. And look how dark this is. This is incredible. Oh my goodness, it's turning a little green. Green is not good in clouds. Tornado or really strong storms is what that means. Uh-oh. This isn't good. Oh my goodness, the birds are flying. Uh-oh, wind's picking up. This isn't good. Oh my goodness. Look. In Frisco, Texas. Oh my goodness, it's getting a lot colder suddenly. The cold front's coming through. Oh my goodness, it's actually kind of cold now. Okay, I'm now under this canopy in this playground. Oh my goodness, it's so green. This is probably the craziest storm I've ever seen. Not the worst, but the craziest looking. Oh. Gosh. The wind's picking up. It's not good. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm turning a little wild. Hi. Yeah, I'm good. No, it's okay. I'm here for a reason. I'm here for a reason, obviously. You can either stay here or go. But it's getting a little crazy. Okay. Goodness, it's coming directly this way. Oh no, oh no, no, no. 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts are coming. Possibly. I mean, that's what the radar says. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I love it. A little scared though. Look at that. This is incredible. Oh my gosh, it's getting... mile per gust though. If it was only one upgrade, the siren would have been going off. That's kind of what I was here for. Hoping that it would go off so I could get a good video of it. Wow. Incredible. I'm the only one here now, which is a little scary. Feels like a dream almost, but it's not. Look how fast the clouds are moving. It literally feels like I'm dreaming. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm getting into the shade. Wow, it's getting so windy. my phone and the tripod that I'm using. That's all. Next time, I should bring a helmet possibly, in case there's hail. And, I didn't have the time to film this stuff. I didn't have that much equipment to chase siren. I'd like to. Guys, I'm terrified. Oh, it's dying down. Okay. What do you think of that, guys? It's probably the bravest I've ever been in a storm, weather terms. There's still lightning up. There wasn't even that much rain. A little disappointed the siren didn't go off. And I came here before we were under a severe thunderstorm warning just so I can get the siren because it only sounds for 3 minutes. The first 3 minutes. And there's a little more lightning. It's over here. We're at the edge of it, I think, which that was intense. Okay. Oh, and I think the rain may seep through the canopy. Bad weather coming before it even gets here, so that way I can get a chance to film the siren if it goes off. Tornado siren, or just siren. Emergency siren. It's not called tornado sirens anymore. That's old school. It's old school to say it. It's just emergency warning sirens. Outdoor warning sirens. It's mainly called Outdoor Warning Sirens, actually. And it's raining. I may get in. Oh my goodness. And there's no one in this school to let me in because I'm actually getting scared. I mean, it's, what time is it? 7:09. So that's in the school. Goodness, bright lightning. It's gonna be loud. Right, it stopped, but you know, there's no, it's after school hours, so raining even more. We're about past the worst part of this I saw on the radar. Lightning over there. You can try to get it from over there. There is lightning. Oh my goodness.
People leaving Whelen. Some of those. See, we're just in the yellow.
Yeah. How was it? Was it really windy when you were, or were you in the car?
I was in the car, but I mean, I could feel the wind. I see the lightning. I mean, I saw it was coming in.
Probably where that pink is, it's probably 65 mile per hour wind gusts. If Nichols has hail, definitely.